Good rebound by Gayoso. Again, you have people chasing him. Marlo, offensive foul. Tignan natin itong play na ito. Marlo runs over. And of course, Hawkins is a great actor. Holds his ground there. Pushes off. And gets the charging call against Marlo Aquino. Jaworski hasn't used himself at all. Gayoso. He would have gotten a big break with continuation.
The 40 ang remaining time natin. Locsin.
That great spin by Locsin through the baseline. EJ File can only clap. Pero Locsin has carried this team on his shoulders here in the first half of play.
And Locsin has exploded for 8. You know,
Harencio. Open! 3-point shot. Dalawa na. 8 puntos para kay Harencio. In a sequence, I've seen him play in his life.
only Locsin cannot get it to Harencio. Locsin delivers. Ginebra on the tear. Welcome to the second quarter. Jeffrey Carriazo has been taken out, and in his place, Costello is on the floor.
Who is picking up Noli Locsin at the post area. 3-point shot here by Harencio. Air ball.
Good line though. Kulang lang ng lakas, ano?
He didn't jump. It wasn't like a jump shot. It was more like a set shot, which is not his shot.
First quarter, mababa ang score. Who does it favor, Dr. Jeng?
Well, maybe the defensive team like Alaska, because Ginebra is a team that likes to score. But I think Ginebra also slowed down the pace to cut down on their turnovers. Hindi sila yung takbo lang ng takbo whenever they had the defensive rebound. They also set up their half-court game. So they themselves also wanted to go to their half-court game.
Okay, you are watching the knockout game. Ginebra against Alaska. Winner goes on to play Pure Foods.
Good luck.
And the loser faces San Miguel in the battle for third.
7 seconds on the shot clock. Johnny knows the time. Short on this one.
And here comes Adrenaline.
Sobra adrenaline.
And taken away.
Nagawa na naman.
Flying a challenge. The interior. The Giants clutch. And it's Johnny says, ako na. Nalalakihan ako sa inyong dalawa.
Pero meantime, wala na naman bumaba doon sa mga players ng Ginebra dahil yung pagkamali ni Gayoso, and Alaska now takes a 4-point lead on a 4-0 run at the start of the second quarter.
No, the thing I like about Hawkins, pure and simple ang basketball, no?
Very economical.
Oh, cost efficient. Locsin, double team.
Banggaan talaga, you know. Costello uses a lot of his knees in guarding Locsin, and the referees, I think, should watch that. He uses his knees to stop Locsin from getting into the spot.
This guy has not seen action yet, Dr. Jeng.
Yes, galing niya sa injury, miss, I think, the last game or last 2 games. Medyo namamaga pa siguro paa niyan. Pero I think he'll be ready to play. Medyo maganda naman ang kanyang round robin kanina.
Ganun ba?
Bad pass
bad
again by
pass.
Gayoso. Way off.
Dr. J, napapansin ko sa through the years, in round robin, does that tell the coach anything really? If you look at the other team or your team?
No, siyempre, if you see a player so pump up, you know that he's ready for a ball game. Tapos kung sa round robin, after that, may shooting. Kung pumapasok ang tira, di alam mo, medyo nandun yung kamay niya nung araw na, especially if he's a shooter.
So, may mga telltale signs na palaro, no? Samantala, 2 minutes na lumalampas sa atin. Whoop! Pumasok! Balance and all!
6 points now for Alaska in this quarter as Ginebra has made 2 turnovers, resulting in no attempts, actually.
Ginebra yet to score. Where is Marlu going? There was a foul, Dr. J.
I think it's on Bolado.
Si Bolado, guilty of his first personal foul. Top scorer ng Ginebra ng first quarter, si Noli Locsin. He had 6 points. Samantala si Johnny Abarientos ang mainit ng first quarter. Para sa Alaska, score siya ng 8.
Gayoso trying to make up for all of those turnovers with his second triple B here to cut the lead in half.
Oo nga.
Their first points here in the second quarter.
Johnny Abarientos, by the way, going 5 of 8 from the field thus far.
Hindi ba siya napapahinga dito?
Hawkins, pure, simple move, just a bit offline.
Good rebound by Gayoso. Again, you have people chasing him.
Marlu, offensive foul.
Tignan natin itong play na ito. Marlo runs over, and of course, Hawkins is a great actor. Holds his ground there, pushes off, and gets the charging call against Marlo Aquino. Medyo may nagbabato na naman dyan.
Oo,
Hindi
aga
naman
naman
siguro tama yan. Sport lang muna, no, as they say, because
Tama yung sabi ni Nat Gutierrez sa column niya doon sa isang afternoon publication. Sabi niya sana magkaroon ng batuhan din naman dito. Hindi naman kailangan.
you know, it's only in the second quarter. Medyo na-establish naman talaga ang position ni Hawkins there. Although Hawkins really knows how to throw the charge because he's also very heavy.
Veterano na rin yan, ano ha? Samantala, 3 minutes. Wala na rito, 9 minutes to go. Oh, yes! Gomez with a triple B!
Well, yung mga defensive rotation ng Ginebra is completely lost in that play. Gomez had a wide open look at that basket, so he just sunk what he does best. No?
Matagal na may tiwala dyan si Tim Cone, no? Through the
If
years.
not, he would have probably let him go.
Oo. Loxin picks it up. Shot clock of Ginebra down to 5.
Tap from behind, but it will go to Alaska. And Herencio is now being taken out. Malcolm productive in the stint that Herencio had on the floor.
Had one attempt and it didn't hit anything.
Just can't quarterback this team at all.
Gomez using Hawkins' pick. They go to Hawkins, who switches it over to Costello. Here's Johnny. Shot clock reduced to 6. Johnny pulls the trigger. Short. Follow up Hawkins. A bit short.
Usually, 2 points na kay Hawkins yan. Medyo minadali ni Hawkins yun.
Costello with his second personal foul. Lamang po ang Alaska ng anim, 26-20. Ang time natin na remaining dito sa second quarter ay 8 minutes and 7 seconds.
Habang pahinga si Gayoso, so we don't know the status of Pin Season for him not to be used at this point. Baka hindi naman talaga yata pwede rin, no?
Oo. Hindi rin ipipilit.
Yeah, Jaworski hasn't used himself at all.
Gayoso.
He would have gotten a big break in continuation.
Foul on the red, Gomez.
Gomez with the foul, his first. Watch this again.
Leaving his feet, there's the foul. Gayoso continues to move to basket without the dribble. 7:53 left. Ginebra's only scored 3 points so far in this quarter, and Alaska's only scored 7. Not much.
Yes. Ano ang tawag? Illegal?
Yes,
Illegal defense.
which is just a warning call against
Warning
Alaska.
Alaska, ball Hawkins
We did
for
not have that
defense.
violation in the first quarter. By the way, we'd like to remind you that games this coming Friday, which is actually the start of the championship, will be played here at the Cuneta Astrodome. One of the Friday games na naka-schedule dito sa atin sa Cuneta Astrodome. And it will feature games 1 of the best of 7 at saka yung battle for third.
Which is a 1 game only also.
Yung battle for third.
Yes, it's 1 game only. Yung mananalo doon is third place.
Okay, turnovers, Dr. J. Second quarter graphic as you saw earlier. Lamang ng 6 ang Alaska, 26-20, 7:40 ang remaining time natin. Loxin.
That great spin by Locsin through the baseline. EJ Fal can only clap. Pero Locsin has carried this team on his shoulders here in the first half of play.
And Loxin has exploded for 8.
26-22, 7:37 left here in this quarter. Trying to complete the 3-point play. You see the semifinal averages. Medyo tumaas konti ang puntos, but the rebounding remains even. Malakas.
And Loxin currently 4 of 7 from the field. And that last foul was on Carriazo, his second. And we're down to 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Kayo po'y nanonood ng knockout game, the playoff match involving Alaska, which finished second. And the semifinal round, while Ginebra San Miguel availing of the win 5 of 8 incentive. Johnny flying with nothing. Ramas slams it to nobody. Gayoso gets it. Tim Cone hoping for traveling, but I don't think so.
Well, it was very, very close because they also stopped on a dime and then made a layup there to cut the lead down to 2, 26-24. Carriazo spots up.
Biggest lead of Alaska stood at that 6-0 run that they had when it was 23-17. In the meantime, referee Mike Ledesma just blew his whistle.
May foul yata.
Foul, Kevin Ramos.
Kevin Ramas.
Yes.
Penalty situation.
I failed to mention that at this particular moment, Alaska already in the penalty. Look at this, Ginebra with only one team foul.
Yes, it was almost the same situation in the first quarter. Medyo mas maraming team fouls ang Alaska kaysa Ginebra San Miguel. 6 minutes and 40 seconds left here in the second quarter. 2 free throws coming up here para kay Wilmer Hong.
A big 20-point production in that game against Shell, which Ginebra won in overtime. Hong also played well against San Miguel Beer, also played extremely well against Pure Food, scoring 9 points in Ginebra's 114-107 conquest of Pure Foods just last Sunday.
Harencio coming back in for Goyoso, so that may be a sign that his son will not be prepared to play.
Okay.
Para hindi niya ilagay at this stage, no? Maybe he might not be ready to play, so he'll be playing with the 3 guards plus himself.
Might as well the guys on the floor get used to the fact na wala si Hison.
Maybe. Siyempre, panakot rin yan.
Oo,
Bihis ka.
siyempre. Bihis ka.
Pag-isipan nila, lalaro ka o hindi. MPTO.
Kaya mo silang mamatay sa hinala. Ano? Samantala, 4 on the shot clock. Walang mapuntahan ng Alaska.
Whoa, way
Lapas! Narito si Locsin. Chance for Ginebra to zoom in front. But again, a turnover, hurting their chances.
Wala na sila talagang fast break play doon, so they really should have bought the ball out. Gomez is now being replaced here by Jojo Lastimosa. Tight ball game at 26 all. 6:08 left in this second quarter.
Kumbaga, Dr. J yung ganun, ano, na hindi na tayo pwede mag-fast break. Plan B, sa half-court set na tayo.
Siyempre, you know, there's still plenty of time to set up because they took only about 4 or 5 seconds to get that ball to that area.
As we switch over to the Alaska side of the floor, Jonas hasn't gotten anything going really, and it will stay with Alaska Milk. Lastimosa 2 points in the first quarter. Meanwhile, Sonny Jaworski needs a summit conference. We'll be back.
Green Cross Rubbing Alcohol, the official alcohol of the PBA. Partner natin sa kalusugan.
I understand that come halftime, we will have a guest entertainer. We'll go live with that one, and we'll break down this first half, and we'll get the reports from the dugout from Ronnie Nathaniels and Anthony Suntay. And we go back to action. Alaska had 4 seconds on their shot clock.
That's why Johnny had to take a long one, but a good offensive rebound there by Ramas. Nawala yung bola. Nawala ulit.
Harencio slows it down, shifts directions, goes all the way. Yes!
Johnny took Harencio too much for granted that he was going to pass back. You know, and Harencio saw that opening. I think his first basket of the ball game. That could be good for him because he's playing in the big guard position,
Yes.
not the point guard.
At home siya dyan sa pwesto
Yeah,
niya.
shooter yan eh. Always. He probably
good.
plays small forward.
Yes.
Because he's that shooter and he can jump. Good
Oh,
Barrientos.
Johnny really pouring it on here. 12 puntos na ang kontribusyon ng Flying A.
5 minutes left here in the second quarter. It's been a low-scoring ball game. None of the teams have reached 30.
Samantala si Locsin. Turnaround shot, ayaw tumulong pa paloob. Narito si Ramas para sungkitin ng rebound. Mabilis na binigay ni Johnny kay Carriazo. Lumipad, goodbye.
Again, the element of surprise. The red shirts a little bit fatigued at this point, especially Locsin na hindi pa rin napapalitan. Hindi na nakabalik sa transition defense nila. No? Aquino.
Against Ramas, Aquino, no, rebound, Aquino. It's in the hands of Harencio, lets it fly.
3.
Yes, you were right, Dr. J.
Ako, nabuhayan siya dahil pag nakashoot yan, ganyan yan.
Tama sabi mo, it augured well for him yung kanilang crossover dribble niya at lusot.
Yes. So he has strung up 5 points in this second quarter to give Ginebra a 1-point lead. And we have Carriazo.
Ayaw. It's in the hands of Val David. And here's the busy bee of Ginebra at work. Gives it to Ong, locates Locsin underneath. Ayaw!
Hindi na nakatalon si Noli Locsin. Pagod na talaga si Noli Locsin. Nakita mo, hindi na makatalon. No? He really usually can hang in the air.
Bibiting niya yun eh. Uy, pumasok from Lastimosa.
3:35 left second quarter.
Jolas has given Alaska a 1-point lead, 32-31. Si Si Lastimosa, 4 points in this first half. Samantala, Aquino.
Harencio. Okay, 3-point shot. Dalawa na. 8 puntos para kay Harencio. In a
Triple
sequence, ha?
Tama pa rin sabi mo, Dr. Jake. Ginanahan siya pagkatapos
Ginanahan
nun.
siya, and he doesn't have to carry the ball. You know, takes a lot of load out of him. My duty here is to shoot. Saka na ako papasa.
Fire away.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Lastimosa, is he aware of it?
Now he is.
That's very good defense by Harencio. Probably the best I've seen him play in his life.
Only Locsin cannot get it to Harencio. Locsin delivers. Ginebra on the tear.
Medyo nagagalit na si Team Con dahil yung mga ibang kasamahan niya, lalo na yung mga malalaking player, nakakalimutan bumalik. Eh, alam mo, yan ang gustong-gusto ng Ginebra. Si Jaworski, nasa scorer's bench na, bumalik na lang muna siya roon. Ayos ang ginagawa ng mga bata. Dito muna ako.
Panorin ko muna, magko-coach muna ako.
Saka magkakaroon na ng timeout on the next dead ball situation.
Correct. 5 on the shot clock. Ginebra doing a good defensive job of bottling up Alaska.
Problema para kay Ramas. Problema. Straight and through for Ido Harencio on this triple D.
And Ginebra steps into a timeout with a 4-point lead. Swinging back to us here at the Astrodome. 36-32 Ginebra with 2 minutes to play dito sa ating second quarter.
Nakita mo ang adjustment ni Team Cole. He puts in both of his point guards also on the floor at the same time. Si Johnny at saka si Jun Reyes sabay sa loob ng floor. No?
Anong naiisip ni Team Cole doon, Dr. Jack?
Eh, medyo shooter rin naman si Jun Reyes eh. So give him a chance no, to play the big guard naman. That's a very bad pass by David because Ong is not a good finisher on the break. And David picks up another foul. Si Senator Franklin Drilon.
Yes.
Medyo pumapalakpak siya dito eh. Talagang isang... I don't know who he's for.
Ako rin.
But I know that he's for PBA.
Yun. That much we know. No need to put the bill on the floor. Pag, for first or second reading, approval din dyan kay Senator Drilon. Meanwhile,
Nice return pass.
Hawkins has drilled in 8 points already.
Well, a minute. Oh, Harencio gets away. Gets another layup.
yes.
Finish off. Finish off. Kulang ang help defense, hindi sinalubog. Pero takot na rin sila dahil nasa penalty na sila. Ginebra actually has 3 fouls to give.
Harencio contributing 10 points already. A minute to play. Open is Jun Reyes.
Yan ang shooting guard na sinasabi natin. Doesn't have to play the point, plays the shooting guard. He can shoot. Maaasahan din yung bata niya. Kapatid ni John yan.
Oo. Lima pala yan. Ano? Si Billy, si Mark, si Mike. Na kapatid na mahihilig sa basketball. Oh! That shot by Locsin Mondo. Aquino says, excuse me. Excuse me uli. Down na ball.
Pakpakan ang laban dito sa first half of this ball game. Huh? 2 plays coming up. Although Ginebra, like I said, has fouls to give. And it could stay with Alaska if they use their fouls.
Samantala, nasa kanto si Johnny. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Johnny pinako sa labas kay Cariaso. Libre si Jeffrey. Na-foul.
And that's a bad foul. You foul him before, but not when he's taking out because he's going to go to the free throw line.
Tony Locsin.
Locsin picks up his first foul.
First personal, 13 foul for Ginebra Santiago.
Pa-drive na yan eh, no?
Jeffrey Cariaso shooting for 2.
2 free throws here for Jeffrey Cariaso. Yes, partner? Ano ba yan?
Wala naman. Nang naipasa that sa atin dito na si Harencio ay 4 of 5 from the field. At it all started with that big dribble of his. May boxing yata ang darating, no,
Yes,
Dr.
we have
Jack?
a blow-by-blow program to be held in Lipa City Youth and Cultural Center on May 25. Ito yung sa ESP Asians Fight Night. No? San Miguel Main Events. Philippines versus Korea Showdown. Huwag niyong makakalimutan yan on May 25.
Alam mo, tuwa ako doon sa dalawa nating kasama, si Ronnie at saka si Kinito, mga nasa ESPN na.
That's right.
International ng mga kaka.
6 seconds left here. 1 shot for Ginebra. They gotta go. The bid went a little bit too late.
And when you gotta go, you gotta go. We gotta go for a while because we're gonna take a break. We're at halftime and we're gonna have a guest entertainer. Stay around. I really don't know who he or she